Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, SolidWorks tutorial for beginners. Today we will do part 16. First of all, let's launch SolidWorks. Like usual, front plane and here dimensions millimeter. This is our part 16. First, let's draw the sketch and extrude it 40 millimeter. So here, front plane normal to, another time normal to, then sketch, line. Let's start by drawing a random sketch, and after we will define it. Here we have an arc. So what to do? Line another time, return it to the point. Okay. Then another line like this, vertical. Then we have right and bottom, horizontal and bottom here. Then horizontal. Then here we have a vertical line. After it, we have an arc here. What to do? Line another time. We have the arc there. So we have a full contour sketch. Now let's define it by putting the dimensions. We have here length of 95. Okay. We have here 15. And here these two lines control this line are equal. We have the total height is about 85 millimeter, as mentioned there, 85. Here we have radius 30. Here also we have radius 30. Okay. Here we have 5 millimeter. Here is 5. And this line is 15 millimeter. Okay. So here, the center of the circle control this line coincident. So let's do an undo. Drag it. This line control the center are coincident. And here, this line control this arc tangent. Perfect. Now let's extrude it. Or before we have this cut there. Let's draw a rectangle here. That we see here, the cut is about 3 by 15. Here, 15. Here, the length is 40 millimeter. This line to this line, it's 40. Yes, trim. Okay. Now we have this sketch is fully defined as drawn there. Also with all the dimensions. Now we should extrude it 40 millimeter. What to do? Feature extrude. Type here 40 millimeter and click on yes. Click on save. This is our part 16, SolidWorks training for beginners by Eddie. Now let's do the cut there. Right click, normal to sketch this line. We have a vertical line within an arc circle. So it's better to draw the other line also vertical. Then do the arc here. Then draw the line there. The center here. To the center. This is the center and make them vertical in order to make the sketch in the mid of the surface. So here, line, contour this line, perpendicular, and it's just for construction. So mention it for construction. And now we have it in the middle. We have a length here of 25 millimeter. Yes. Here we have a diameter of 10, radius 5. So here we have radius 5. Perfect. We have here it's 15 by 15. We can check it if it's 15. Perfect. Here also it should be 15. Because it's in the middle. And we can do the cut feature extrude cut. And click on yes. Click on save. Finally, we will draw this circle here. Half circle with these two tangent with an extrude up to surface till this surface. And you should draw the sketch here on this surface there. And we have the dimensions here in the top view. This is the side view, this is the front view, and this is the section view. And after finishing, we have here a hole of diameter 10 millimeter. We will cut it through all as mentioned there and as mentioned there. So first of all, let's draw with this sketch here. Normal to, perfect. Have now this view. Let's draw the first line. Half circle. Okay, it's in the middle. So here, midpoint, and here, perpendicular. Here for construction. Here we have 15. Okay, so here we should do add relation control. This are control this line and add tangent. Perfect. And here we have 15. So here we have a diameter of 12.5 times 2 because it's radius 12.5. So radius 12.5. Okay, and now we should do the extrude up to this surface there, change direction, and choose here up to surface, to this surface, click on yes. Click on save. Finally, we should do the cut here of diameter 10 millimeter in the center of the arc. Sketch. This is the center. Diameter 10. Click on yes, feature, extrude cut, and through wall. We cut it all. See, it has cut it all. See if we have missed anything. Perfect. We have drawn everything here. Last thing to do is to click on edit appearance there and choose a color. For example, this blue color. Click on yes, and then click on save. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, SolidWorks for Beginners Part 16. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you for watching.